few basic rules of our meeting. Mute yourself by clicking in the audio button when the speaker or any other role play is speaking. Unmute only when it's your turn to speak. This will help to avoid distraction. There is a raise hand option at the screen below participants, which one can use if he or she wants to participate in table topics or listener or fun segment of the meeting. Please ask only Tech Master if you are audible or not, and Tech Master is Anirudh Kumar. Let me introduce President of our Toastmasters Club, Toastmaster Anand Kumar.
Toastmaster Karthik Anand, net is slow, so Roli would act as acting president today. Would like to hand over the stage to her, please.
Okay, let me introduce acting president of our club, Toastmaster Roli Sena.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Karthik, for beginning our meeting with such enthusiasm. It is said that when we are trying to determine the moment of truth, there will either be results or reasons. Today, we are here to find out what has been the result of the hard work that the previous EC has put in and give us a guideline to proceed for the next term. It is my pleasure to welcome our area director, Toastmaster Parul Verma. Parul, would you like to introduce yourself and say a few words?
Thank you, Toastmaster Roli. It has been pleasure to always attend the DO Teams meeting. I think I have been here enough that I do not need an introduction, but still, if you insist. Well, I've been a part of Toastmasters since 2016, and right now I'm pursuing apart from being area director, I really love to give speeches, specifically in Toastmasters. So I'm right now on my third path. So hopefully this for past 2 years, I've been doing one path a year. I hope I'm targeting 2 paths this year. Let's hope I will be able to do it.
Thank you so much. I've heard some of your speeches, and all of those who get the opportunity, I'm sure they will be delighted and inspired by your content and delivery.
Hopefully.
Yes, I am sure of it. I'd also like to welcome distinguished Toastmaster Ekta Shetty, Area Director P1. Ekta, would you like to share a few words with us?
Yes. Thank you so much, Rodi, for the warm welcome. I read about I saw the flyer of DOTM on the district BPPR's group that there was an MOT being conducted today and that Anirudh is conducting it. So I really wanted to attend the meeting today and see how it will be conducted. I've never witnessed an online MOT, so I thought why not start with DOTM and with Anirudh doing it. So that's the reason I'm here today.
Thank you so much for joining us. I'm sure that there'll be nuggets of wisdom which we will all get to learn from Toastmaster Anirudh.
Yes.
Before I invite him, I would like to acknowledge and give a couple of minutes to all of the other guests. So we have Rahul Gupta. Are you already a Toastmaster or are you visiting a Toastmasters club for the first time?
Hello everyone, I am Toastmaster Rahul from Invictus Toastmasters. I'm serving as VP there and I'm really looking forward for the MOT session in Delhi on Toastmasters. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rahul. Welcome to the club. I'd like to welcome Yuganshi Kulshresht.
Yes. Hello, everyone. This is Toastmaster Yoganshi, and I'm also from Invictus Toastmasters, currently serving as VPPR in there. And I've heard a lot about Delhi One Toastmasters and its members, so looking forward for the amazing meeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us and for those encouraging words. I'd like to welcome Avishi Rathore. Avishi, would you like to share your expectations? I know you've been here with us a couple of times.
I've attended last two meetings. This is my third meeting, and I am attending because I want to improve public speaking and build leadership skills. And I'm very excited for Anirudh's session because I know him.
I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm sure that you will be encouraged by Toastmaster Anirudh's session. Toastmaster, I don't think Aditya, are you already a Toastmaster? Would you like to say a couple of words?
Yeah, hello. Hi, everyone. Right now, I'm not a Toastmaster, but definitely I'm looking forward to join as a member. And I have attended past two meetings, and it's been really helpful. And I'm here to learn more about the speaking skills. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'd also like to welcome Naveen Kumar.
Hello, this is Naveen, and this is my first meeting. I want to improve my communication skills and public speaking skills. This is my first meeting.
I hope that your expectations are met, and I'm sure that you will find this an extremely supportive and positive environment. To all the guests who are not yet Toastmasters, I'd still like you to participate in the MOT session actively. Your opinions really matter to us, and we would like to put our best foot forward, and your feedback will encourage us and guide us in that. There will possibly be a table topic session at the end of the meeting after the MOT session. So I encourage all of you to participate in that as well. Now, without further ado, I would like to invite on stage Toastmaster Anirudh Kumar, an extremely dynamic individual. The power that resides in this tiny little body is phenomenal. It, he has to be seen to be believed. He has to be heard to be believed. And I'm sure that under his guidance and tutelage, our MOT session will go very smoothly and give us the results that we are looking for. So please help me welcome Toastmaster Anirudh Kumar for our moment of truth.
Thank you so much, really. Wow, under so much pressure, I can't tell you. I'm not just the acting president, but not just even other Toastmaster, but even the guests today have set up wrong expectations. I don't know how much I'll be able to fulfill. But yeah, thank you so much. So this is the moment when I expect to hear good evening in physical meetings. But can you have some show of thumbs up or some reactions in the Zoom meeting very quickly so that I can see you're here alive? Okay, very less, very less. Yeah, wow. Somebody if taken a screenshot, they'll feel more delighted. Thank you so much, everyone. Now we are alive and we are back in the meeting. Before starting the session, there are a few things which you should know that this is not a normal Toastmaster meeting. In normal Toastmasters meeting, for the benefit of guests, we have 3 sections. The first one, prepared speeches section, wherein members prepare a 5 to 7 minute speech and deliver the speech in front of the club members. The second section is table topics section, wherein members deliver impromptu speeches. They deliver a speech and the topic is given to them here only. And that's an impromptu speech for 1 to 2 minutes. The last and the very important section is evaluation section of any Toastmaster meeting. What happens there is people receive feedback for whatsoever they have spoken. They learn about what they have done right and should carry forward. And they also receive recommendation of what they did wrong and should improve to polish their communication skills. Now with this, I'll just present my screen and I am sharing something on the chat. I would request everybody to open that link. Meanwhile, I'll share my screen. So this link is something which won't be common for all. So just bear with me. I'll keep explaining everything. Just open it and participate in whatever is going on. And just trust me. All right, you will see something new. There is an interface which we have created, Delhi One Toastmaster, because the challenge was how to make MOT session engaged, still provide all the resources to members. In physical meetings, we can provide physical handouts, physical documents to members, but here it's not possible. How to do that on a common platform? So we build a common platform. So now you can come back to Zoom meeting very quickly and see what I'm presenting here. The slide which you never have seen in any presentation. I know it's not like that. So welcome everybody to Delhi One Toastmasters meeting 257. Today we'll have Moments of Truth session, and the last line is for my personal branding by Anirudh Kumar. Thank you so much. With this, I hope you have joined the link that I sent. If not, so you can scan this QR code and join right now. While scanning, it will ask for the number, and for those mysterious people who are juggling what that number is, so that is our club number. You will only join our interface online. Thank you so much. With this, we'll go back to this a second. Okay, now with this, we'll go back to the interface that you opened up, this link, and there you will see this question. A very good question. How's the Josh? You have to write one word there very quickly, and we'll see all the live reactions here on the screen in the Zoom. But don't worry, first dare to write something there. Okay. Hi sir, great. Okay. Hi sir in bold. Oh my God. Hi sir once again. Fantastic. So you started receiving some good words. Awesome. Excited. Wow. Oh, again. Wow. Very bold hi. I don't know who this person is. Very highly motivated. Okay. Low. And then what we say? Emoji. Okay. Top notch. It's fine. Who is this person? I'll track it down. Don't worry. Whose motivation is high. Okay. I think this question is not enough to answer like many things, but I really want to know how you guys are feeling. So after this, this is the second question. How are you feeling today? Now there will be some truth coming. So one person marked low. Now I would like to hear what that low feeling is, or even if you're feeling very high, very positive, why so? So how are you feeling today? Okay, nervous, inquisitive, not good, tired but excited. Okay, this is nice. I like that. Hopeful, awesome. Okay, fantastic and excited. Wow, nervousness. So guys, you can come on Zoom meeting and just have a look what is happening here. I hope you are joining from mobile, and at one point of time you can only see one interface. So just come on Zoom meeting and see what is happening there. We have created a very good word cloud of all the responses. Finally a weekend. Okay. If we would have been doing a physical meeting on a Friday evening in Connaught Place, then you might have mentioned this. Finally a weekend, but today it's not appropriate. You are at home. Okay. So now with this, just stay here with me. And now you have to finally answer this question. This is the last question, believe me. What is your energy level? You have to rate down your energy level out of 5 very quickly. And don't worry, I'm able to see how many are responding. So all those people who are not responding, I'll track them down. And you will receive an email from Toastmaster International of not being participating in the Zoom meeting because you are just marking your attendance here. That's not right. Okay, 12 people have responded, right? And 50% of them says, okay, 4. Okay, 1 second, I can't see the last response, but yeah, okay. 17% says energy level is 5, rest. Okay, we have 8% people saying energy level is 1. I don't know why. So guys, here I am to make your energy level go high by providing you a very discussive platform. You can see right now how it is going on. So right now we'll start with moments of truth. Before that, let me tell you this, that right now on your mobile screen, you will see this interface. Or even if you are on your desktop or laptop screen, you will see some interface and the options are common. On your top right side, you will see this little boy icon here. I don't know if he is a male or she is a female. This little boy icon, click on that. Once you click on that, you will see something popping up at the bottom which say edit my profile. I hope everybody is able to open it. Click on edit my profile. You will see something. Just write down your name, nothing else. Don't need to write your company name or no need to write your email. Just write down your name. I'm writing my name here. I will also attend all the activities which we will do. Fine, I'm done writing, and there I have to check mark something and then save. So I expect everybody to do that because whatsoever we'll be doing depends a lot on this. Fine. Now, if we are done on the top right side, we have an option on the top left side. If you guys can see, I'm showing it on my screen as well. And if you are on your mobile or laptop screen, on the top left side, you will see 3 lines. If you click on 3 lines, something from the left hand side will come. Here we have all the resources. The first one is live interaction, which we are doing. The second thing is MOT parameter document. I will open it just now. The third one is download document. I would request all the members, if they are on mobile, if it's possible to switch to laptop. Otherwise, we'll select those people who are on their laptop, because for this process, we would need your help more. So all those people who are on laptop, be ready to lead basically. And the last one is meeting feedback form, which will be used later. Now, going back, this interface that you see here, you can put anything and everything here. Anything and everything means literally anything and everything. I have filtered, I have put in a filter here. It will already, it will always remove anything which is not appropriate. So you are allowed to write anything here. Basically the confusion or the doubts that you may feel. So with this, I will now go and open this particular option, MOT parameter document. So I will open the MOT parameter document. Okay, it's here. 1 second. Yes, it's here. MOT parameter document. What I mean by MOT parameter document is, here you will see the list of all the parameters that we have for moments of truth. I don't know, it's written in English there, but still it's more of scientific or rocket science. I can't understand it, but just bear with me. I will make you understand it. Moments of truth for a club is very important. Why? If you see here, what moments of truth says, a moment of truth is an episode where a person comes in contact with any aspect of Toastmaster, experience and forms an impression of a club's quality and service. Please mark down the word here. When a person comes in contact with any aspect, here a person may mean a guest or an existing Toastmaster or a member of the same club himself or herself. So this is a very good line that I copied and pasted here as it is. A Moments of Truth is an episode where a person comes in contact with any aspect of Toastmasters, experience and forms an impression of a club's quality and service. So whatever we'll be doing today, it will relate to the quality and the service of Toastmaster that we provide, especially in Delhi One Toastmaster. And today we will evaluate that. And to help in evaluation, we have these 6 parameters. The first one is first impressions, and so and so. I will read out separately one by one, but just get familiar with this document. This document you have to use throughout the session for reference if you want to refer to certain points. Apart from that, if you open the third link, which says download documents, if you click on download documents, you'll be taken to this interface, which is a Drive interface, a Google Drive. I hope everybody is aware about what a Google Drive is. Here we have uploaded all the 6 documents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 1 parameter each. Now we will divide the groups in a way that the person who is on their laptop would be able to access and download the documents offline in their laptop, so that anything goes wrong with their network, they still would be able to handle it. After downloading this document, when you will open it, so you will see there are some things which you have to fill, basically some blanks. I will brief it about one by one. So before starting the session, these were a few things which I wanted all of you to be familiar with. Now I'll go back to my slide here, and here I will show you what are all these 6 parameters. So the first one is first impression, second one membership orientation, third one fellowship, variety and communication, the fourth one program planning and meeting organization, the fifth one is membership strength, and the last but not the least, the 6th one, achievement recognition, which everybody wants. So we'll be evaluating all these 6 parameters today. Now if you want to ask me one by one, so I have 6 separate slides for that, which I'm just showing right now. We'll see how much time we will have, and that's how we will cover it. But before that, very important, I would like all of you to I would like to show you how this document thing works. So if I click on, let's say I'm clicking on the first document, the first page that you will see here. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, the first page that you will see here, this will have a very good picture of a male. I don't know who this person is, but yeah, that's set up by TI. Let's go back to the second document. This will show you some parameters written here. If I talk about first impression, the same 6 parameters are written here. Guests greeted warmly and introduced to club officers, and so and so. Here, if you'll download this and click on this box here, you'll be able to click it and write there some number out of 1 to 5. Now, out of 1 to 5, what that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 would mean, you can refer from the top of this page, top of the second page. If you're marking that parameter first, that means we never meet this standard. And if you're marking some parameter as 5, then that shows we always meet that standard. So there are 6 parameters. If you feel that we as a club, as Delhi One Toastmaster, never meet that standard, you can mark it 1, be honest. And if you feel that, yeah, we've been doing wonderful, fantastic, that we always do, so you can mark that as 5. Anything between them, we rarely meet the standard, we sometimes meet the standard, we usually meet the standard, would depend on the discussion that you will have in your respective groups. Okay, so this is something which I wanted all of you to just get familiar with, how to download the document, how to see. Now, we don't just need marks. So you remember the first question that I asked you, how are you feeling today? And then I asked you to rate yourself. Why? Because sometimes rating gives an impression, sometimes words gives an impression. So realizing the importance of the rating in numbers as well as the text that you will write, we have number system as well as some blanks here. I would request all of you to just read it. What is the cause of this challenge? So if you feel there is something which you feel is challenging or does make some challenge to the club, please write it here. Please write it here. And then you have to also address what can be done to address it. Who could be possible for this action? So you have to provide a resolution here, how to address it and who should do it. Right. If this space doesn't fulfill your need, then go back to the second last and the last page. This has plenty of space, really plenty of space, and you can write down anything and everything there. You can write down your poems, your novels, everything. But for now, I would expect you to write only the recommendations and the challenges for the club. The poems will publish later in our newsletter that is coming up. You'll get more details. So for now, I think everybody is familiar with this interface and with this setup or whatever tools we will be using. Anybody who have any question? I can't see because I'm sharing my screen. The interface is not familiar. So anybody still can ask questions, and I would request Rolly to just, if any members are asking their questions in the chat or something, so read out that for me. We can have like doubt session for just one minute.
Sure. Ruth, right now there aren't any questions.
Okay.
I think we can go.
So members, this is very important because once I will send you to separate breakout rooms, you can write something in the interface which I just sent you, the Q&A part. But it's better to ask the questions here, because otherwise you won't be able to handle these things, and we won't have this activity being conducted in a successful manner. So guys, any question or any doubt? So we have this document thing right here, which will be accessible by this Drive interface, and the Drive interface will be available here on your mobile screen. If you see on my screen, you will see this section, download document, which will be accessible here. And this link to this particular interface is available in your Zoom chat. I hope now everybody will be able to possibly handle it.
Anirudh, I had a doubt.
Sure, Ekta, go ahead.
So you showed it to us. I got it, but how do I edit it? I'm sorry, I'm not getting it. So how do I edit the values?
Ekta, are you on your laptop or on your mobile?
Laptop.
Okay, you have to download that.
After downloading. Okay.
After downloading, right? Don't open it in your Google Drive. It will distort the settings there. And
Okay.
Yeah.
Anirudh, I also have a question.
Sure.
So after filling this, these downloaded documents, we need to upload them back or send them on chat, or how do we do that?
Sure. So after, so right now I have provided only the view access. People won't be able to edit this particular Drive interface. That is done for a reason, so that we don't do any mishappening here, and because that may suffer the other team members. I mean, somebody can just scrap off some document which might be useful for other team. So once we do this activity, after that I will provide editing access to this drive folder, and then people would be able to upload the documents right here. After the purpose of this document is over, then I will ask you to upload your respective documents right here. Because see, I mean, following up later and asking you people to email that we have seen you took time even to register for the meeting. I don't know how much time you will take to send the document back. So we'll do it right away. Okay.
So Anirudh, just one more thing.
Very quickly, yes.
Yeah. So does everyone have to fill this form, fill these things individually, or something else is happening?
Right. For that we will have team leaders. For that we have team leaders. I'll come to that just right now. Okay. So I think people are good, and since this question has come up, so I think you might be curious about who will write, who will download, and I'm on mobile, how I will do that. So don't panic. So right now what I will do, I'll stop sharing my screen. Let me just come to the Zoom interface. Okay, now I am happy to see some good faces. Only Rolly and Sajal are there with camera. Okay. So guys, so we will divide people into groups. So we have 6 parameters. We will divide you into group of 6. That doesn't mean you will just get the opportunity to discuss only one point, but I'll tell you how it will be like, because right now for online meeting, just to increase the interaction, we have done something else. Okay, so let me just take the names, and let me just confirm if you guys are here. Do we have Bela in the meeting?
No.
Okay, we don't have Bela. Do we have Sanju here?
No.
No.
All right, very good, very good. Do we have Shreya here?
Yes.
Perfect, Shreya. Are you on your desktop?
Yes, I'm on my desktop.
Okay, thank you so much. Do we have Jyoti here?
No.
Very good. Do we have Bhavya here?
Oh, yes, I'm there.
Okay, Bhavya, are you on your desktop or laptop?
Laptop.
Perfect, perfect. So we have Shreya and Bhavya with us who are on their laptop. Somebody else who is on their laptop can tell me. Rahul, you are there. Okay, let me see if you're allowed. So Toastmaster Rolly, I would like to take your advice here. Should we allow Rahul to be one of the team leader?
Yeah, sure. We can do that. Yes.
Okay, okay. So Rahul, you will be one of the team leader. I'll tell you of what team. We need. Oh,
Anirudh, I also have a laptop. I'm using the laptop.
very good. Toastmaster Rolly, I think.
I am also on a laptop, Anirudh.
Sajal, okay, okay. Sajal is there. So Sajal will give priority to you because you are a member. So you will act as a team leader. But since you're also an EC member, so yeah, we'll tell you how to do that.
Ankit, are you also on your laptop?
I'm on laptop.
Great.
On your laptop. Okay, perfect. So just, I'm very low on memory. Let me just write everything in some document here. Okay. First we have Shreya on laptop. Then we have Bhavya on laptop. Then we have Sajal as well on laptop. Then we have Ankit. You also are on laptop, right?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Then we have Rahul, and then we have Ekta. So I think, yeah, we have 6 people. If any member of DOTM is there with on their laptop, let me know, because I mean, priority has to be given to member.
I'm on laptop.
You're on laptop. Okay. But since I have committed to Ekta and Rahul, so it won't be good.
No, you can give it to Karthik.
Same.
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
problem,
no issue.
Anirudh.
We are here to witness, not to participate. Really.
Exactly.
Okay. Karthik, will you be able to handle the download and editing the document in a Word file? If that is a yes, so you will be one of the team leader.
I've already downloaded all the 7 Word files.
You are fast enough. So out of Rahul and Ekta,
I think Ekta can do better.
okay. Ekta, would you like to say something very quickly, or should we go ahead with your leadership in a group.
Okay, we can go ahead.
Sure. Thank you so much. Now we have 6 team leaders. So the sequence is Shreya will go in the first group. So Shreya, you are team leader for group 1. Then we have Bhavya. Bhavya, you will be team leader for group 2.
Okay.
Okay. Let me also note down on my side, otherwise I'll forget. The low term memory loss issue. Sajal, you will be group leader for team 3 or group 3. Ankit will be the team leader or group leader for team 4. Karthik will be the team leader or group leader for 5th team, and Ekta will be the team leader or group leader for 6th team or group. Okay.
Fine.
Right. So now let me see how many members are here, and on basis of that, I will divide everybody in the groups. We have 18 people, so that means 3 people will be part of one group. Please don't leave the... Yes, Roli.
Karthik, Anirudh, I am logged in with 2 devices. So
Oh,
there are
okay.
actually 17 people.
There are actually 70. No worries. So one team will have only 2 people, but we have a solution for that as well. Don't worry. So let me just tell you the members who will be there. So I will be the part of, for my list, I can see myself at the top. So I will follow my order to avoid any confusion. So Shreya, you can note down the names. I'm also noting down the names. In your team, Anirudh will be there. Okay, Bhavya, Karthik, our team leader, Ankit is team leader, Sajal. We have Aditya Kumar Sonu, and I believe Aditya, you are guest, so it's better you be in the first group. Okay, then we will have Anand Kumar. Let's see for anybody else as guest. So I guess Yuganshi, we have Yuganshi, and she is a guest. So Yuganshi will put you in the group 1 because group 1 is more focused on the guests.
Okay.
He's a member of Invictus Toastmasters.
Okay, Yuganshi, you're a member. Okay.
You might want to choose Avicii.
Sure, that makes sense. So Avicii, you'll be part of first group. So now we'll divide other members quickly. Bhavya, your group is 2, and team members in your group would be Anand.
Okay.
Then we have Ekta. We have Keshav S. So I would put Keshav. I'm putting you in group 2, and next we will have Naveen Kumar. So I'm putting Naveen in the group 2 as well. Then the third group, Sajal. For Sajal, I'm just again scanning the participants list. Naveen Kumar is in. Parul will be part of the third group with Sajal. Rahul, you will be part of the third group, and then we will have... Okay, Roli is here now. Roli,
Yeah.
is it fine if I send you in the third group?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Then we'll have Ankit. Ankit, you are the group leader for group 4. Right. To allot you the participants. Okay, we'll have Shivam with us, Shivam Asthana. Then Shreya is group leader. Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong here. So Shreya, I'm just redefining the order. Basically what I did, I selected one person as team leader, and then I'm sending 3 more people. So there's a confusion from my side. Sorry about that. So I am sending I'm sending Avicii. I'm sending you to the group 4th with Ankit. And Naveen, I'm shifting you from group 2 to group 5 this time. And Roli, I'm shifting you from group 3 to group 6.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll be left with Shivam. Shivam, your group is group 5. And Yuganshi, your group will be 6. The 6th one. Okay.
Anirudh, I think you'll have to repeat.
Yeah,
You put
because now,
Shivam in group 4,
yeah,
but
Okay. Shivam, your group will stay then 4th. I saw that you are
Okay.
being repeated. Okay, that is fine. So now let me brief you about how we'll be dividing people into different things. So we will have 3 breakout rooms, not 6 but 3 breakout rooms, just to make sure that one breakout room doesn't have 2 members. So 2 teams will go into 1 breakout room.
And can you also define group 6 one more time?
Sure. So
Ekta is the leader, and who else is going in that group?
okay, so Roli and Yuganshi.
Roli has already been allocated to 5. I know that I'm logged in with 2 devices, but my mind is just one.
He said 6, Roli. I think the last thing you said, Anirudh, was Yuganshi and Roli will be in group 6, right?
Yes, yes.
And in group 5, it will be
Karthik
Karthik
and
and
Naveen.
Naveen.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that fine? Or should we consider changing it?
One group has to have 1 member because we are 11 remaining other than the leader. So one has to be just with 1 member. So it can be anyone.
Okay.
I think it's okay. You can club group 1 and 5 together.
Right. So now we also need to make sure that our EC members specifically are part of the group where their related things will be discussed. So Roli, you mentioned group 1 with 5.
Actually, I don't remember what I had said in the morning.
Okay.
Maybe Anand can share.
Yes, she had said group 1 club with 5.
Okay.
Right now, I suggested that, but I think that needs to be changed. Give me a minute.
Okay. So basically what we are practicing right now is to divide members in groups because we want maximum output. Because it's not like, we are doing a formality here. We do want that, the output of this, discussion meeting will be of the maximum productivity.
Okay, so how have you numbered the groups, like membership strength and first impressions? They should be in the same breakout room, okay?
Okay.
And they should be with Ankit. So I think group 1 and group 4 should be going there.
Group
Is
1 and
membership strength, is that group 4? Can you tell me the names of the groups?
Sure. So first group is first impressions, and the 4th group which we will have is program planning and meeting organization. I think
Yes.
fifth group membership strength would make some sense here.
Yeah. So
Okay.
membership strength is currently which group?
5th group.
5th group. So can we just switch the groups? What is group 4 right now? Can they be group 4, group 5? So Ankit, Shivam, and Avishi, can they move to group 5?
Makes sense.
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
will
And
shift
Karthik and Naveen will now become group 4.
group 4. Okay.
Fine.
Cool.
Anirudh, I was also in group 4.
Avishi?
Shreya, you are in
who is
group
that?
1. Shreya, you are in group 1.
Avish is in group 5 now.
Yep.
That's why I made sure that guests we keep in membership only.
Absolutely.
Right. I think this is fine, Broly,
Yeah.
because we don't have our VP yet. VPPR is there, and for her, we need to make sure she go into fellowship IT and communication. That is the 3rd one. And
Right.
he is the leader for 3rd group. Perfect.
And group 2 is membership orientation. Is that correct?
Yes, membership
Yeah.
orientation.
Right.
There we have
And we
Bhavya,
have, yeah,
Bhavya, Anand, and Keshav.
right. And group 6 will be achievement recognition.
Right.
Okay. And that's fine. I'll be there with them.
Sure. So I'm
Can you
putting,
please repeat group 1?
yeah, don't worry. I'm putting in the chat. So group 1, Shreya, Anirudh and Aditya will be team members. Bhavya, Anand and Keshav will be team members. Group 3, Sajal, Parul and Rahul will be team members. Group 4 is Karthik, Naveen will be the team member. Group 5th is Ankit, Shivam and Avishi will be the team members. Group 6th is Ekta, Roli and Yuganshi will be the team members. Now, for the team leaders, I want you to note down one thing. Note down your criteria. So the first group, first impressions. Second group, membership orientation. Write it down somewhere. The third group, fellowship, variety and communication. The fourth group, program planning and meeting organization. The fifth group, membership strength. The sixth group, achievement and recognition. Let me also put this in the chat for the benefit of all.
And you're combining group 1 and 5 in
Right.
one breakout room.
Right.
And so that's your breakout room number 1. And breakout room number 2 will have group 2 and 3. Is that correct?
Yes. So 2 and 3 will go together, and 4 and 6 then will go together, if that is fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. So right now I'm putting this in the chat, but even if you are not able to comprehend this, don't worry. You will see that in that interface. Remember the Slido interface where there was a message Q&A section where there was a message that says, that will say if you have read that, this is the space where you can interact.
Right.
So I'm just putting, this thing for the reference there as well. So just right now I have sent the team members name to you all, and next I'm sending the, 1 second, there is a word limit to it. I'll send it in 2 parts if possible. Okay, now everything is in sequence. The first 3, the bottom 3, and the order of, or the members distribution. So don't worry, everything will be available for your information on the interface that we have, and you will be able to download and refer to every resource on the Slido interface on your mobile or on your desktop. So now we'll divide people into the breakout rooms. I have 3 breakout rooms with me. Ruli, I would need your help with dictating the names.
Yeah, sure.
First group.
So the first group, you select Shreya,
Shreya.
Anirudh. Actually, so group 1, no?
Yeah, group
The
1.
breakout room number 1.
Yes, breakout room number 1.
Yeah, you will not be sending anyone anywhere. Let them remain in the main room, right?
They'll remain here. I'm just distributing so that when I say start, so they can go and start, and the timing will start.
Okay. Do you still need me to call out group 1 and 4? Sorry, group 1 and 5?
Yeah, group 1 and 5.
Okay. Shreya, Anirudh, Aditya.
Okay. Shreya, Anirudh, Aditya. All right.
Ankit, Shivam,
Shivam,
Avishi.
Avishi. Okay. I was assigned them. Let's go to the second breakout room that consists group 2 and 3.
Right. So group 2 first. Bhavya, Anand, Keshav, sorry.
Keshav.
My apologies.
Okay. Keshav. All right.
Yeah. And group 3, Sajal, Parul, and Rahul.
Okay.
Right. And group 4 is for breakout room number 3.
3, right.
Karthik and Naveen. And group 6 is Ekta, Yuganshi, and Roli.
Okay. We have Abhishek with us. Roli, I'm sending both of your device to breakout room whenever I'll send it. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
We have Abhishek with us, and Abhishek
can join group 4 because there was one person less over there.
Right, 4 and 6 will have 6 people now altogether. Right. Thank you so much. So, guys, everything is set. Now, I would like to. Are you set? No, so don't go to CP and go to some bar and something. For set, you just have to be prepared with whatever I'm telling you. When you will be sent to breakout rooms, you have the document, you have the resource, you have the list of parameters with you. You have to refer to them. I hope group leaders have downloaded their respective documents. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can refer to the Q&A section. Okay, there I have mentioned all the members and the topics. Download the document. Once you download, one group will have 2 topics to discuss. To avoid conflict, first we will discuss the first topic and then the second. So for group 1, first we will start with first impressions, and then we will go to the second criteria for their group. That is the criteria number 5th, membership strength. For group 2, you have second and third as your topic. So you will discuss the topic number 2 first and then topic number 3. Got it? Now, the third breakout room group, you will have again 2 groups.
4 and then 6.
4 and 6. So your first topic of discussion will be 4 and the second will be 6.
Right.
Why we have divided specific people to specific groups and specific topics? Because what happens if you have a group of 6, one will be the leader and one will keep speaking and somebody will hide. So we don't want that. Okay, we want to give priority to those people to speak in their respective turn. Got it? Now, before sending everybody to breakout room, any confusion or doubt you guys may have? Also, let me mention you the importance of like dividing strategically. We have seen, in the past with the, DOTM itself, that the division of members was not done in proper manner, and it didn't, was fruitful. So even if it takes time, it's very important to divide strategically. So Rolly, a green signal from your side would be good, or thumbs up.
Thumbs up, green signal, and go ahead. Everything coming your way. Get out
Okay.
of the trains.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, being safe, I will open the breakout rooms. You will receive an option on your screen to join the breakout rooms. Join those breakout rooms. All right. And start discussion. Aditya, are you there? Aditya, are you there? Can you hear me? Aditya, you are there. You are unmuted. Can you speak? So guys, we are here. I would just go to other rooms and I will check what these guys are doing. Okay.
Cool.
Let me first put a message.
Okay, so we are the first one to come here.
Wrap up fast. Can you see a message on your screen?
No, we cannot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wrap up fast.
देखो क्यों नहीं आ रहा? अच्छा हाँ.
Come to Zoom. ठीक है जी. I have message. Let me join the second room and see.
Ankit, do we have to do it for all the 6 parameters, or we are just done with the 2 parameters and now we will just evaluate?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay.
Like I need to just elaborate on these 6 points. And I
So
don't
there
know
were
how.
total 6 criteria, right? 1,
Yeah,
2, 3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6. So there were 6 groups. So now we have, let's say, harder discussion on 2. So okay, now everyone is here. We might get more. Can't hear you, Sachin, if you're-
Wow, fantastic. Thank you so much, everyone. We are back after an exhaustive session. How was it?
It was fun.
Fun? Oh, okay.
It must have been fun if it was conducted by Ekta.
Bye. Yeah, you have to say that. Bye.
Bye.
Joke master.
Anirudh is such a credit hog and he never shows even his pic. Like he always just have this pic ready, like don't even turn on his video and still he wants all.
That's why I plan to do so much engagement activity where you don't have to see Zoom, you have to see other interface so that you don't ask me again and again.
Yeah.
I'm smart. Okay, guys, thank you so much, everybody. Without wasting our time, so this was, very good session. I happened to just peek into, some rooms and the conversation was very fruitful. So now we have points with our team leaders. Okay, so I would request team leaders one by one to show their presentation. Okay, and show the marks that they have allotted, talk about the challenges and how we can improve that. And I will also ask other members for an open discussion. I will only allow like 1 or 2 people in the apostrophe of time, and then we will see if the rating can be changed after reconsideration, or should we go ahead with this, and that will be the final rating for the particular criteria. Okay, right. So I would request team leaders to present, read out the criteria, tell the marks, read out the challenge, and give a solution. Got it? This will be the steps. So with this, we'll go ahead with the first team. For that, yeah, I was part in first team. So, I mean, okay. Shreya, we'll start from you. Please share your screen. You just learned in the breakout room how. Share your screen and yeah, show to everybody that you can share and.
Just a second. I think I am unable to share my screen.
Okay. Yeah, here are some security issues. This is the main room. Now you will be able to. Sorry for that delay.
Anirudh,
Yes.
just wanted to ask if you've also given the update or edit access to the group leaders so that they can upload their documents.
Thank you so much for reminding. Sure. So now I will give the editing access to all of the people on the same link. So first let's focus on the presentation. I'm giving the access and we can do that, once we are done with the presentation, and if there is some scope of changing of scores, once we do that, then we'll upload. Thank you so much. Shreya, now you can go ahead. Thank you so much for reminding.
Okay. So first impressions are important to club success because guest positive experiences and observations determine whether they will return and become members. So our first criteria is guests greeted warmly and introduced to officers and members. And unanimously, we thought to give 4 points, which is we usually meet the standard because particularly we don't introduce guests to our officers. It's like we take introduction and they are introduced to members, not particularly officers. So we gave 4 points. Second criteria is guest book and name tags provided. We gave 1 point to this because as this is, we got feedbacks from our guest and they were not provided guest book, and being a ex-guest before, so I didn't even receive the guest book. So we unanimously decided to give 1 point. Then third is professionally arranged meeting room. I think it's a virtual meeting, and sometimes due to technical glitch or starting late, that is not professional. So we decided to give 4 points. We usually meet the standard. Then fourth criteria is convenient meeting location. I think it's convenient and comfortable both. So we gave 5 points. Guest invited to address the club. Yes, I think we always meet the standard because being a guest myself before, I was asked to share my experience as it was my first meeting. And I have noticed that all the guests are individually asked about the experience. And sixth criteria is guest invited to join. Yes, I think we are individually send the emails, and also people we are connected to, they personally send us invite link. So I think we always meet the standard. So that was from my side.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shreya. Now, if we see from your this thing scoring, I can see the challenging area is guest book and name tags provided. Okay. So this is something which there is a challenge that does it refer to an offline setup or an online setup. So unanimously we decided that we will rate for both. Even in the offline meeting, we provided some guest book or something to refer to, as in our some material. In online, that's not possible. But in offline setup, we never provide them tags. Okay, so now the forum is open for everybody to challenge this score.
I don't want to challenge any of the scores really, but I did want to understand if the feedback form that we share a link to the feedback form, and that was done even when the physical meetings were being conducted. So is that not something that can substitute for the guest book?
Okay. So according to my understanding, a guest book should have the basic knowledge of Toastmasters or the basic introduction, so that whenever guests will read it, they should get some knowledge, not all the knowledge or not all the vast knowledge of Toastmasters, but some good idea, some briefing, maybe some what they will expect in the meeting. So if
no, actually, if you ever go to any kind of conference or exhibition or anywhere where guest books are displayed right at the entrance or the exit points, so that has just basically details of the guests that are recorded in a columnar fashion.
Right.
The name and
Keynote speakers.
contact. Sorry?
Keynote speakers, their details, and at the last to contact the organization.
No, not just keynote speakers. Any guest can go and fill it.
All right.
Yeah. So, but that does not have information about the guest booked will not have that information. There may be certain brochures and some other meeting material that might be placed next to the guest book, and that can help. But my yes, so I mean, you're absolutely right that we don't provide name tags. We've not provided them even when we were conducting physical meetings. But my understanding is that guest book is something that is asked for.
Yeah.
And in physical meetings, we used to actually have our guest log circulated around the meeting room.
Okay.
And now we are using our registration, so the meeting registration form,
Right.
that is being used in its place.
Okay. Thank you so much for the comments. I see that there is some scope of improvement here. So the thing which Toastmaster is asking is a guest book. Maybe we have shifted online, but maybe the criteria is not changed here, or online meetings are not considered the way we collect guests information. But after comments from Rolly, so the idea is on a comment we should work on. So I think instead of giving it 1, we can make it 4, given the average of like offline or online meetings. We don't provide tags, obviously. So there's some scope of improvement in tags. So just to make sure that we consider this criteria while evaluation of the club. So we will consider the criteria, but we also don't score it that much that we will neglect it that we are doing good on that part. So I would propose 3. Let's see if everybody agrees and if team leader Shreya agrees with that.
I think 3 is fine.
Thank you, because it still makes it fall into the consideration category. Sure.
So should I make a change here? Or
Yeah, you can. I mean, you don't have to.
I think editing.
Yeah. You can edit it like in a little while, Shreya.
Yeah.
Because I would request you to also specify the cause of this challenge and what can be done to address it. If you could just fill those points as well. Yeah. We can probably, in the interest of time, move to the next category, and you can edit it and then upload it.
Yeah, just
That
provide
would help.
just provide written comments there. Thank you. You can stop sharing, Shreya. Now we'll move on to the team leader of second group. For that,
Yeah.
I'm sharing.
Sure.
Second group. Oh.
For that we have Toastmaster.
Okay.
Bhavya. Okay.
So the second point was membership orientation. So in order to offer members the greatest benefit from Toastmaster experience, the club must acquaint new members with the education and recognition programs and make members aware of the club's responsibility to them and their responsibility to the club. So the first standard was formal induction, including presentation of membership pin and manuals. So in our club, we do not have formal inductions as in which we are taught about pathways. So one of the reasons we found was shortage of number of meetings, as we have just 4 meetings in a month. So if we give that 1 meeting for inductions, so it would be very short for members. So to address it, a solution could be we can have special sessions maybe on Zoom, like separately, or the normal meetings can be stretched a half an hour, and the members who are required to attend, like the new members, can be motivated to attend this session. So we gave it a 2 score. The next point was assignment of...
We will try to cover the points very quickly in the interest of time.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So assignment of mentors, so we gave it 5. So I think this is addressed quite well. Third point was education programs and recognition system discussed. So to an extent, sometimes the standard is met, like this education programs are, everyone knows about this, so we give 3. Learning needs assessed. So we gave it a 2 because like we would want that our needs are assessed by someone so that we are more motivated. So this can be done by associate VP heads, or mentors can take care for it. The next point was discussed accommodation for members with disabilities. So as we do not have any such member, so we give it 4.
Speaking roles assigned 5. Members involved in all aspects of club activities. So we gave it a 5. Like we felt that all members are included in everything. So we gave it a 5.
Thank you, Bhavya, for your presentation. Now the forum is open for members to challenge some or the other scores. And let's try to have like at least come up with 1 or 2 points so that we would try to have like more accurate points for our club.
I'd really request members and guests to unmute themselves and quickly share their points or observations, even if it is just to say that yes, they agree.
Yes,
Let's
obviously.
have a little more participation than this.
I sort of don't agree with the point learning needs assist is given to. I mean, that's most probably means as in my language, ki whenever I'm speaking, there are people who are assessing what I'm doing, assessing my actions. And I feel in this club, not just the mentor, even the other members are always are there for you and assessing your performance and telling you what needs to be done to improve things. So in that way, I just feel we are really ahead in a 2. That's what I feel. I may be wrong, but that's what my personal experience is. That whenever I have been up for a speech or a role, there have been, other than mentor, there have been a lot of people around me who have been telling me what's right and what's wrong. So that's one of the things I feel we can change and maybe increase to a 4 at least. I mean,
Learning need access. Okay. Thank you so much. I wanted somebody to bring that point. So what I understand from learning needs assessed is that when any guest joins our Tele1 Toastmaster, uh, there is a format which Toastmaster International gives us and which says to evaluate the need of individual toast or individual individual person who are joining Toastmaster and ask them to fill certain criterias or write something in a format and that should be stored with the club, and later on when we assign mentors to to those Toastmasters, we refer to that assessment. So Rolly, would you like to put highlight on it?
I believe that we have a learning needs assessment form. The link to that form is sent to every member when they join the club, and the mail goes out from the VPH's desk, which has Welcome to DOTM as the subject title.
Right.
Each one of the members can go back and see whether they received such a mail or not. The form link is there. It has all the criteria that Toastmasters requires us to fill in. Now, learning needs assessed means learning needs must be filled. So if you fill it, you'll get assessed. If you don't fill it,
Right.
then you're saying that I don't have any learning needs, which is perfect too. I mean,
Yeah, so when we were looking forward to the standard, this form is filled when we are joining as a new member, but when we are a regular member, at that point of time, our needs are not assessed. So we felt like the members who are old, they felt like if their needs are assessed now, so they would be more motivated to
We
participate.
wanted more connection between the members, so we were actually aiming for if there is somebody who can like call up the members every 2 weeks and learn that what are their needs, are they comfortable with the club, how they are progressing in the club, and so there's a need to build that connect. So
Okay, one last thing before we close this point. I'm a technical person, and what I understand from the technical definition that Toastmasters presents, asking guests to submit a form and asking them to assess their own learning needs and submit that to club. I don't know whether we have to do that very frequently because that is not specified there. So I would like to open the forum for more people to interpret it.
so I think that this is something again, Bhavya, I'd request you to do. The second point that you have for question number 1 for learning needs, associate VPA or mentors can take care of it. If you can specify, instead of writing it, you can say can take care of this for experienced members as well.
Okay.
A regular needs assessment is required because yes, we are doing it for the new members, but that's a very valid point that we should do it on a regular basis for all the members. Because obviously the learning needs will change over a period of time. As members progress in their educational journey, they will understand themselves and their own goals much better.
Thank you so much, Rolly, for that. So for members, we never do it. For guests, we always do it. So should we say we sometime do it and make it 3 so that it still becomes considerable and still the scoring improves?
And so we don't do it for guests, we do it for new members.
New
And
members.
experience in regular members has been added. Bhavya is super fast. So thank you so much, Bhavya.
Okay.
So should I make it a 3?
Very quickly.
Yeah, it would be nice, but again, I would leave it to the group
Team
that
leader.
discussed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bhavya, you are the team leader.
Yeah, but
Under pressure.
I think we can give it at least 3. Like the main motive was for new members, so we addressed that. So,
okay. And for the formal inductions, I completely agree with the point that we can't do it as a part of a regular meeting, but we can certainly have a part of time allocated on the day of a meeting or do it as a special meeting or something. And that is perfectly valid. Just want to highlight or rather point it out that presentation of membership pin is not going to happen. So if that's the reason why that is 2, it's still going to remain 2 in the next cycle. But yes, for the rest of it, for the induction part into pathways and everything, we should make more efforts.
That was for modules for pathways and like the inductions. We rarely do it. We do it once every 2 months, every 3 months, or like in online we did once, but we
Got it. Okay. Okay. So what we have to do it, should the scoring be changed or remain same?
No, I think it should remain the same.
Sure. Thank you so much. Now we'll move on to, Bhavya, thank you so much for your presentation. Now we'll move on to the other criteria. I would request the team leader for team 3.
Bhavya will share it because I was having.
Okay. Nice idea by VPPR.
so Sajal, you want?
Huh. So the third category was fellowship, variety, and communication. The club retains members by providing a fun, friendly, and supportive environment that encourages enjoyable learning. The first category was guest greeted warmly and made welcome. This we took input from the guest only in the group. So the rating is 5. Enjoyable and educational meetings planned, 5. Regularly scheduled social events, 5. Members participate in area, district, and international events, 5. Interclub events encouraged, 5. Club newsletter, website published and updated regularly, 4. In newsletter and website, we considered it as a higher level for the posters and MOMs. So we gave it a 4 because we post them regularly and we were working on a newsletter and website.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sajal. Thank you. Now I would request members to come up and challenge the scores.
I sort of agree with all the standards here.
Thank you so much, even for acknowledging that. So nice of you. Anybody else? Going for tick 1? No. Criteria number 3 1. Criteria number 3 2. Criteria number 3 3.
It puts pressure on.
Yeah. So batting is done now. Thank you so much, Sajal, for like presenting. Can you just show the scores again? I forgot to note it down.
It's okay, Anirudh, I'm noting it and
Thank you so
taking
much, Sajal.
screenshots.
Okay. 555. Okay, last is 4. Thank you so much, Sajal. Now I would request team leader for group 4 to come up and present their very good stuff. And to everybody, I know this is going to be very boring for next set of 3 teams, but believe me, after that we'll have a very fantastic engaging something will be there.
Karthik, you're up.
Yeah, okay, I'm sharing it.
He's even sharing the timer cards as red.
Yeah, we already passed time. Okay,
No.
coming to the program planning and meeting organization. When club meetings are carefully planned with well-prepared speakers and usual evaluations, members are able to meet their education goals. Standards, program and agenda publicized in advance. Rating 4. Meetings begin and end on time. 3.5. Members know program responsibilities and are prepared to carry out all assignments. Rating 4. Creative table topics and activities. Rating 3. All projects are manual projects. Rating 5. Positive and helpful evaluations. Rating 4.
Thank you so much, Karthik. The challenging criteria is C, meeting begins and ends on time, and creative table topics, trademark and activities. So would you like to mention the challenges and how to improve upon that?
Okay, we have written the cause of this challenge is that most of the members are beginners. So they require experience to be more innovative or creative. And plus a lack of awareness and lack of confidence causes.
Okay, and how to improve that?
In order to improve that, we should attend other club meetings, and mentors can act as an encouragement for more creativity.
Sure, thank you so much. And for the other criteria? I think both of the session works for the same. Karthik, you can keep sharing the screen, and now the forum will be open for members to challenge the scores.
Okay.
Wow, again the same situation. Okay, if we don't have any challenge, criteria number 4 going 1, criteria number 2 going twice, criteria number 4 going thrice, and there we close the bet. Thank you so much, Karthik, for your presentation. Now we'll move on to the 5th group. I would request the group leader of team 5 or group 5 quickly share the screen with a fast pace that you always showcase in your meeting roles and responsibilities. Sure. Go ahead.
Ankit, you are on mute.
Yes. Thank you. So this is regarding membership strength. When the club has enough members to provide leadership and fill meeting and committee assignments, this creates a lively, active club that benefits existing members and draws new members in. So first standard is club has 20 or more members. Yes, we do have. So we as a team has provided here 5 marks. All right, so this is 5 scoring. Second is members are retained. Members are retained. We have provided 4 here, as we think as a team like the efforts needs to be increased in this area. Members are not being retained like that much that is required. Not 100% members are being retained. That is, of course, I think also not possible technically, but yes, of course, more efforts can be made in that area. Hence, we have provided here 4. Then a promotion of club in the community or within its organization. we always promote. We always do that. So we have given here 5. That is, we always meet this standard. We always meet the standard promotion of club in the community or within its organization. Next is club programs varied and exciting. Yes, here we think that scope of variation is there. Scope of a bit of variation is always there. Like we can do variations in like a table topic section, in the theme or something like that. Hence, we have given here 3, like we sometimes meet the standard, sometimes. Next is Toastmasters sponsoring new members recognized. Here we think we need to work. And as discussed in the meeting, like the way we do, we need to change that. The way we do right now, we need to change that. We should celebrate that member who is actually like referring somebody to become a member in the Toastmaster. So we should actually celebrate that member, and we should actually honor that member. Like maybe we can find out the way out how we can do that, but in a more good fashion we should do that. So we think, hence we marked it too. We rarely meet the standard. And the 6th point is regular membership building programs. Again, we rarely meet this standard. Like we need to do more for membership building programs. We are doing, like right now we are in the middle of organizing a meet. Like we are inviting a TEDx speaker also in Toastmaster. She is also a Toastmaster and also a TEDx speaker. But again, more efforts are required. Hence, we have put 2 marks here. That is, we rarely meet this standard. So this is it from our side.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ankit. Now the forum is open for members to challenge the scores.
So I don't think that members are retained can be given 4.
Okay.
I think it's a little lower than that. This is something that probably we need to even address and
Yes.
need to work on this.
Shivam, this is the time for you to pitch.
I think if we just look at the challenges, look at the my internet.
Sorry?
Efforts. Keyword is
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello.
Good.
Yeah. So I'm saying we are not. We are as a club. We are making our efforts as to retain the members. We can't really control the members who don't want to be a part of the club. But as a club, we have done our efforts. We have also been following up, reaching out to members and asking them what we can have been done and retaining them.
If you are able to hear me, close your video, then speak.
And if you also see on the basis that has to be.
Yeah.
Now you can speak.
Okay, is it better now?
Absolutely
Yes.
better.
Yeah, so I was saying that we as a
I was saying that gone.
Now he has closed the audio also.
I think what Shivam was, yeah.
Let me take it up on behalf of the team. So Shivan mentioned that though we are not able to show it as a number that this much numbers of members we are retaining or something like that, but we do put up a lot of efforts for that. And I mean, we don't have a very fancy number, but in the past I think when we had our 250th meeting as well, we tried to bring in our past Toastmasters as well to come and join that meeting, and if interested they would also take part in other meetings and join us as a fully fledged like honored member. So the points are given here for the efforts, and yeah, some events we have seen in the past as well.
Ankit, can you also just scroll down to what you've listed as the causes and the suggestions for the challenges?
No, we have not listed any. You have just discussed this.
So I think we noted down separately. Ankit,
Yeah.
you have that, so I would request you to put it here. You can see that and mention the challenge here.
Can see that.
See what we marked there, for this point.
Yeah.
I think the point of learning needs and meeting quality can also be put here, like how to retain members. We can still do more. We can still provide them more opportunities and motivate them more to participate in the meeting.
Absolutely. Participation is like motivate them to participate more. And when they will participate more, of course, their like retention chances will be more.
So, Rolly, what you are proposing is to lower down the score here.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. By how much?
1 point.
Make it 3. Okay. Anybody else who would differ from this opinion? Okay.
Actually, we can make it.
Let's make it 3.
Should I stop sharing?
Anything else? No. Cool. I think thank you so much, Ankit. Let's move on to our 6th and the legendary group. So I would request the team leader of 6th group, group 6, to come.
Let me share my screen.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So we had to discuss achievement recognition. There were 6 questions. Award applications immediately submitted to World Headquarters. There were 2 members in my group. So Roli and Karthik answered all the questions. They said it is usually done. So the parameter for usually is 4, and that's why it was rated 4 out of 5. Only sometimes, because there is a delay from Toastmasters end, it gets delayed, but otherwise it is almost always done on time. Progress charts displayed and maintained. This is rarely done in the club, which is why it has been rated 2. This is something that we need to focus on. Member achievements formally recognized with ceremony. There is no ceremony as such. I don't think any club conducts a ceremony, especially now that meetings are online. But flyers are created and members are recognized on the WhatsApp group and also in the online meetings when the members meet up. So it is done very well. Club, district and international leaders recognized. This is always done. All the members are mindful of how this is supposed to be done. So this is never missed. Club and member achievements publicized. Again, it's 5 because it is always done and regularly done. DCP is used for planning and recognition. This is usually done, so it has been rated a 4. So for this one question, progress charts displayed and maintained, I'll discuss the challenge and what can be done to address it. So the challenge that was brought out by the members was that there is a lack of focus on maintaining progress charts because there's also no deliverable attached in a VP-Head's role to specifically prepare the progress chart. The VP-Head already has so much on his or her plate, so they don't usually think that this also has to be done. And that's why it may not be given enough priority because it seems to be a challenging task to maintain a regular progress chart. What can be done to address it and who can be responsible for the action? The VP education and the associate VP education need to work together, need to coordinate to ensure that they regularly share the progress charts. One thing we thought about is how can we bring accountability into this? So it has to be done on a weekly basis by downloading the DCP sheet from the Toastmasters website and the pathways progress sheets. They can be easily downloaded and can be shared weekly with the members. This will solve the problem of the progress charts currently not being maintained. So this was it, Anirudh.
Thank you so much, Ekta. Now the forum is open for members to challenge the scores. So this is the time when members have to unmute themselves by clicking an option on Zoom, unmute, and then speak something. If you were not aware about that earlier. Okay, no.
Anirudh, can you hear me?
Yes, Anand, go ahead. So glad to hear you.
So there is club and member achievements publicized. So what we have seen is that mostly it's regarding the educational thing and Toastmasters, but there are other things which people do, and that can be displayed, because it's just not in Toastmasters that people achieve something, but because of Toastmasters, people reach another heights apart from Toastmasters. So that can also be incorporated, and that can be added. So just a feedback. So on this part.
But I don't think it's allowed to add. I mean, Anirudh, correct me if I'm wrong. Can we publicize achievements which are outside of the purview of Toastmasters if a member is doing something? I don't think so, right?
Formally, we cannot. But
yeah, I mean, I am following the Delhi One Toastmasters Instagram handle because I handle the JPKU. So I have seen you all recognizing not just the educational achievements, but even when I think Devi became a part of the district communication team, everything is publicized. I mean, it's properly put up on the handle. This is my knowledge. I'm sure the members will know better, but yeah.
So we do it on the social media or platforms, but we don't recognize it in the meetings. So maybe a segment of 10 to 15 minutes can be kept where we can ask, like considering Devi's example, we can ask Devi that how is she feeling as a part of district communication team, and what is her experience up till now. So it will motivate others also to look more into Toastmasters community.
Acha, okay. So do you want me to change this to what score? 4.
We can keep it 3 or we can keep it 4 only, like
If
whatever
we
you.
keep it 3, then we'll have to write. Okay, I can write also if it's required. Anirudh, any suggestion? Rolly, anything else? Actually, Rolly, I discussed this with Rolly, so yeah. Still, if you have anything else to say.
I agree with the points that Anand and Sajal are raising. The publicity part on social media is done well. That is what we had taken this criteria to mean. Publicizing it or sharing it within the club meetings, that part can be done. I'm not very sure if it's something that can get 10 to 15 minutes of meeting.
Yeah, that's too much. That
Yeah.
even I felt. But yeah.
So, yeah, something can be done. But
can be
again,
done.
I was thinking more on the lines of maybe a video or maybe a brief chart or a slide can be prepared and then shared.
That's a very good idea. In fact, so
Maybe
I
just 1 minute, 2 minute part on per member.
No, 15 seconds so that we can post on Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
Less than a minute. Correct. So should I change this to then 4?
Yeah,
Or-
we can do that. Yeah.
Okay, how much score we have changed here? I was on a different screen. Sorry for that. I didn't.
Just this one parameter, Anirudh. Everything else is the same.
This one only 4.
Yeah.
From 5, it has been changed to 4.
Okay, that will change my calculations here as well.
It's okay, Anirudh. It will come down to 23 and the total score will come down to 149.5.
Right.
Um,
So what is the,
that's-
okay, thank you so much. Just to confirm.
Should I stop sharing?
Very quickly.
Okay.
So Rolly, what is the average for now group 6?
So the total is 23.
Total is 23, okay.
And the total number of points that we have in our MOT score is 149.5.
Okay, 149.5.
This is out of.
Okay, here I have all the scores. I'll present right away. Okay, now just wait for my screen sharing.
But anyway, 149.5 out of 180. The 6 criteria. No, sorry. Yeah,
Wait,
6
let me
criteria.
share my screen and let's see what is there and what is not.
And the maximum that you can specify is 5. So that's 30. And for 6
Wait,
categories,
180.
180.
I have a catch
Uh,
here. Wait.
you do have a catch here.
Right.
How?
Everybody can see my screen and let's evaluate how we have performed on the 6 criteria. So going for criteria number 1.
29.
The average is 4.33, 29 out of 6. Thank you so much. For the second criteria, okay, so I have also marked the individual points. You can see that. Okay, you can verify. For the
Yeah.
second criteria, the average is 3.85 out of 5. 3.85 out of 5. So this is the rating. Okay. For the third, we have average 4.83. Very good. Now for the fourth point, we have. Okay, it's not written here.
They really fall down. Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes.
What is that? I can't see because I have something here.
We also can't see.
I can see.
Anirudh, this was 4, is it? The program and agenda publicized in advance?
Yep, that was 4.
Okay. So then this becomes
I think I have to just check back the ratings here.
4.
Do that. So meanwhile, let's move on to the third criteria. Oh, sorry, the fifth criteria. We have done with the 4. So fifth criteria, we have scored 3.33 as an average out of 5 for this criteria. For the last criteria, we have scored 3.83. Okay. So now here is the summary of all the criteria: 4.33, 3.85, 4.8, and everything. Our club on the MOT scale out of 5 have secured 4.04 as an average. Total criteria I'll tell you in a while. So this is the final score. Now I hope you all will be feeling very bored. So let's go back to the Slido. There is something planned there. This is quiz time. Very quick. We'll have just 2 questions and you have to answer them very fast. Are you on the slide interface? Okay, wait. Yeah, go ahead.
No. I was just wondering if we could do it and
Yeah, go
like
ahead.
Verbally.
Verbally. Okay.
No, it's okay. मतलब हम वहाँ वापस जा सकते हैं.
हाँ. I mean, that is the catch there क्योंकि वहाँ जाओगे तो कुछ होता है वहाँ पे. Yeah. Please join the quiz. 3 people have joined. Sajal, Roli, Abishi. I can see that. See. Bhavya is there now. Anand, Shivam is there now. 6 people out of 13. I would expect at least 50-60% people. Ankit is there now. 8 people. Okay.
It will be out of 12. Remember that.
Yeah, it will be out of 12. Out of 12, yeah, we have 66%. Okay, fine. You can join. Keep joining. So now the first question: how many parameters are there in moments of truth? Total.
6.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Mark there.
Okay, fine.
Fastest finger first. That's how you will be scored and will be put in the dashboard. Let's see. Okay, everybody has marked 100% here. First 6. Nothing else. So let's see the leaderboard. Anand was fastest in just 0.04 seconds, and Sajal, Bhavya, Ankit, you have secured top rank. Now the second question: how many sub parameters are there in main parameters? This is a trick question. This is a very trick question. Not everybody is able to handle it. This was the catch.
Yeah.
It's like KBC coming.
Okay, let's see how many people are marking it. 100% people have marked 6 out of 7. You can have like 10 more seconds for that. This is a hot question, when we were child and we used to have some hot question or examination. This is something like that. Right. So the correct answer is we have 6 parameters as well as 7 parameters. This was a multi-correct answer. So for the
So why
first,
does it say, sorry, you missed a correct option?
how many you marked?
6.
Okay. There are 6, but the correct answer is 6 and 7. You have to choose both.
So we
6
didn't
and
know we
7?
can choose both.
Yeah.
But we didn't have option to do both.
There was an option.
Please explain when is it 7?
If you see the parameter second, let me first. So
Yes.
Anand marked it like fastest, but he wasn't able to secure this thing. I mean, the correct answer. But yeah, we can vouch for a fast response. Nobody was able to get it correct. Why? You saw entire MOT. Where are group 2 people? Let me ask them.
Here we are.
How many you marked?
6.
Yeah.
Very bad. Very
Learning needs assess हो गई हमारी.
Right. So guys, see, this is the moments of truth, and that's why I planned to put in that question specifically. If I would have put it 6/7, yeah, people would have guessed that, but no. I put it a multiple choice. If you would have known, so you would have tried to put 6 and 7, or if you would have asked question.
So when it is multiple choice and you are allowed to select multiple options, then it needs to be a checkbox and not a radio button.
That is the problem with the interface, but that is fine. Now we have the truth in front of the club that members don't know how many parameters are there in MOT, even for those people who did that, criteria.
Usually, if we can mark 2 options, it's an incorrect question.
Yeah, we were
Person is
calculating
disqualified.
right now like 180 points, so I just figure out 6, 6, and 5. So I
Okay,
just choose 6.
I am accepting there was a mistake. I should have mentioned it previously that this would you can expect this much, but on your side as well, you would have asked question that our criteria has. Yeah. So the catch is from the team 2 side. I accept. I mean, I should have done this. I am doing this quizzing thing for the first time in DOTM, so definitely next time you will see more wonders. So this was all from the moments of truth session, and the truth is in front of you. How much we have secured, where do we need to pay attention? I would request all of you to access the drive folder once again and upload all of your documents there. Meanwhile, I will hand over the stage back to our acting president and keep uploading. We'll just cross check once again with everybody if they have done or not. So over to you, dynamic leader, Toastmaster listener.
Oh, Anand is still there. I mean, Anand is here. Anand, can you?
Are you there, Anand?
I am there, but I am like concerned that my bandwidth can go slow. So, Roli, please take it over.
Okay, sure. So the first thing that I'm going to do while people are uploading their responses is to share my screen with the minutes of the last meeting. I hope everybody can see this. I need everybody's approval, especially the members. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down. We have a theme, which is Murphy's Law. The word of the day was jeopardize. And we met on July 31st with 15 out of our 23 members. I don't know why it is saying 24. Anyway, and 14 guests. So we had a phenomenal number of guests. A number of people mentioned that it was because of the theme that most of them had joined. And Anand had shared that TLI2 will be happening and we should all attend it, especially the club officers, to get the credit for the club. And we had these role players, Toastmaster Bhavya Jain as the Toastmaster of the day, and General Evaluator Toastmaster Sajal Jain, who also were judged as the best role players of the meeting. Table Topics Master was Toastmaster Santosh Devi, who conducted a fantastic session, table topic session, and we had three speeches delivered by Toastmaster Bela, Toastmaster Anand, and Toastmaster Ankur. Toastmaster Bela was delivering her icebreaker, and Toastmaster Anand was delivering Project 1 from level 4, and he and Toastmaster Bela were judged as the best speakers. The speech evaluators were Toastmaster Shivam for Toastmaster Bela's speech, Toastmaster Jyoti for Toastmaster Anand's speech, and Toastmaster Karthik for Toastmaster Ankur's speech, and Toastmaster Jyoti won the Best Evaluator Award. Karthik was doubling up, tripling up actually. He was the essay, he was a speech evaluator and a listener. So fantastic job done by Toastmaster Karthik in the last meeting. And the language evaluator was Toastmaster Shreya. The R counter was Toastmaster Rupal, and Toastmaster Roli was timer. And we had table topic speeches. So Toastmaster Santosh did a fantastic job in having so many table topics, and everybody spoke quite well. Their speeches were in fact quite insightful in determining how we should challenge ourselves whenever we face problems and how we should come out of the infamous Murphy's Law. And finally, the president concluded the meeting with a reminder about TLI and getting feedback from the guests. And that's it. I am considering everybody's approval on these minutes. Going once, going twice, and all the thumbs up are going my way. Thank you so much, everyone. Right. Can we just have a quick update from the group leaders that they have uploaded the MOT docs that they were editing? And in the absence of the group leaders, can Anirudh confirm that they have been uploaded?
Okay, I can see Bhavya.
Bhavya for third category also. Have you uploaded?
Yeah, Bhavya have uploaded for second and third. Nobody else have uploaded it.
Shreya is there? Shreya, could you just upload it for category 1?
Yes, yes.
Great. And Karthik, you need to upload it for category 4. Ekta hasn't uploaded for category 6, is it, Anirudh?
Yes.
Okay. We'll probably need it from her.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we go for a group fee till then? Anirudh and Anand, I don't think videos. Ankit, Shreya, can you put your videos on?
And Karthik, can you please remove this yellow, please? Thank you.
Anand, if it's possible, you can also switch on your video.
Yeah, we won't ask you to speak.
Karthik, your video is on.
Get kicked out of meeting.
Ask anyone, but don't ask Anirudh.
At last.
So we can do one or we can do anything.
Sabka mare.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Are we allowed to leave or we have to stay?
Anirudh, is there anything
Documents
you...
are uploaded.
The members still are taking some time.
Shreya?
Yes,
I
yes,
don't.
sorry. I didn't
When
write,
to
so
close down the recording?
You can close it now.
Thank you.
Shreya, could you just upload the doc?